Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure on how can you enter pairing mode on your Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds. To put your Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds into a pairing mode, you have to first of all make sure to watch this video right till the end. Here's how you could do it. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn them off. After which you then need to press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds. You'll see a blue LED indicating. You'll see a blue LED blink twice, and you'll hear a voice guiding confirming pairing. After you actually do it then you want to actually go ahead and put the earbuds into the charging case. And then you could see this section. You could see the green light, and that indicates you've successfully entered the pairing mode. So this is how you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.